So we're trying to fix the drywall areas that are not right. We've sanded. I stopped about here fixing. I got this all done. It's drying. I just need to wait for it to dry to be able to sand overnight. And we have not sanded in the bathroom. We had to pull out all the tape and paper that was protecting the track and the tile and make sure it's all proper. So. I'm coming down over here. Some repairs still need to be done. And then this wall. And this needs some attention. I haven't gotten to it yet. And then we end up